Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parrish.
Welcome back, everyone. Another summer-like afternoon across the area. A little bit more in the way of cloudiness, though. You can see that on our tower cam. Starting to see some puffy cumulus developing out there. It's 90 degrees and the dew point 72, so it feels like 97 out there. Southwest wind at 14 currently on the hour. Zooming in on our live Viper, you can see some scattered storms up along the Louisiana-Mississippi line around Tylertown, back down towards Tangipahoa, and also into northern parts around near Greensburg, and also stretching back towards Jackson, and also just north of Denham Springs, and a few showers to the south and west of Rosedale. But most of the storm activity, the heavier storms, are actually over in southern Mississippi. You can see quite a bit of lightning associated with the storms around Hattiesburg and north of Gulfport. These are just getting started. Rainfall totals over the last 24 hours have been generous, more to the south, like around half an inch or just under that at La Place. Same thing in Gonzales, around a quarter of an inch down in Franklin. Now, over the next day or so, we're going to see rainfall amounts adding to these totals, and some places could pick up a couple of inches between now and Saturday morning with some of the heavier storms. Temperatures right now are generally in the upper 80s to right around 90 degrees. Gonzales right now checking in with 92, and of course with a high dew point of 74, it feels like 97 there right now. 99 in Thibodaux, 97 in Napoleonville, 98 over there in Henderson as well as Franklin. Upper level chart shows this piece of energy dropping in from the north and west, but it's taking its slow, sweet time getting here. And as a result, we're going to see multiple days of scattered showers and storms in our forecast as we go through the work week. And you see the upper level just basically sitting over Texas and just sitting there for several days. There is a risk of severe weather in the yellow shaded area along and north of Interstate 10 essentially for tonight. And tomorrow there's a marginal risk of severe weather across our entire area. It would just be very few and far between. The main threat is going to be the heavier rainfall associated with this frontal boundary that's in our area, with these scattered storms developing along that boundary each and every afternoon. And again, some of these storms could be heavy with some heavy rainfall. Over the next 7 days, you can see rain, pretty good chance across our area all the way until the weekend, and then rain chances start to decrease just a little bit. Stay with us. We have more news and sports coming up right after this.